Give it to me.
Do you need 10 more bowls like this?
Really good.
That is insane.
This is very good, man.
Hey, it's Chef Jason Wrobel, and I'm super excited here in the Switch4Good Kitchen to show you how I throw together my West African bowl, Mediterranean GoodBowl, a plant-based barbecue Western bowl.
So we made these good bowls with you in mind. They are simple, they are flavorful, they're nutritious, they're great for anybody who's on the go and every family who's on the go.
This literally is the best bowl that I've ever had. This dish is very robust.
This bowl is to die for.
This bowl is amazing.
Now, you don't have to be a professional chef like me to make and enjoy these good bowls and these breakfast recipes. For me, I always feel that like when you see food for the first time and you've never tried a dish, you get drawn in by how beautiful it looks. So I do try to make it as pretty as possible.
Beautiful.
But if you're in a rush, you don't have to be as crazy about
throw
the
it all
plan.
together.
Totally. You can make 5 days worth of this, keep it in the fridge, and then if you need a quick meal, just pull everything out of the fridge, throw it together, and you're good to go.
I'm gonna make it. Maybe.
And it's packed with a lot of nutrients, like as an athlete, after a workout, when I'm having lunch or dinner, it has everything I need.
Absolutely, yeah. So the black eyed peas, super high in protein, some beets, which are full of nitric oxide to give you that energy boost for your workouts. But the cool thing, man, is that a lot of people don't know how nutritious potatoes are. It's this really amazing fermented soybean cake. It's high in probiotics, really high in protein. Carrots are really high in beta carotene and vitamin A, which are great for eyesight, for pretty much everything. I was gonna say eyesight, which is good for everything.
Take this home, I'm gonna eat it, I'm gonna make it for my kids.
My kids are pretty finicky, actually,
Okay.
but I know that they would love this.
Okay, good.
Very kid friendly. And also substantial enough to fill me up and make me feel sated.
Awesome. Perfect.
Can I eat more?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm like,
Is my job done now?